angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a video I think you guys will really love and benefit from, and as you guys saw by today's title, thumbnail, and the intro in general, it is going to be my stationery essentials. So basically I am going to show you all the stationery that I have been loving, and hopefully we can do one at the end of this year and then we can see how it's changed. So I definitely want to buy some more stationery because I'm a stationery geek, but I will definitely update you guys on that. So how we're gonna do this video is I'm gonna start off with like pens, pencils types things, and then we're gonna move on to things that you kind of use with the pens and pencils and just things that you overall should need, that in my personal opinion everyone needs for your school life. So let's just get straight on into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is pencils. So I have one favorite type of pencil. I know everyone loves like the Papermate ones, but I feel like these ones are kind of better and they're not as expensive. So these are the Bic mechanical pencils. I don't even know if they have like a specific name, but it's just the Bic mechanical pencils in a 0.7 lead. So I bought a pack at the beginning of the year and I am still using it. I think I could go maybe almost a full year with a whole pack of pencils because this year no one has been asking me for pencils. So usually I think I go through like 2 or 3 of these just because this is the only pencil I use and a lot of people ask me for pencils. But anyways, the reason I love these more is because number one, the eraser is the best and the lead is just amazing, and I have big handwriting, so I feel like it just helps me like the flowiness, and I think I press really hard and the eraser gets rid of it. So this is the perfect one for everything. And not only that, I feel like if you are doing math or something and you mess up, the eraser will just erase everything for you. So these are my favorites just because number one, they're more affordable than like the Papermate ones. So these are my favorite pencils of all time. These are the ones I've been using. I'm gonna go through this one pretty quick because it's just an eraser and I think everyone knows about this eraser. But again, math, you mess up a lot. So this is the High Polymer Eraser by Pentel. This is the best. I do not like pink erasers. They leave a pink mark on the paper. So I use the white one. This is the best by far. Just wanted to get over with it because this is the best eraser. So if you don't want to use the eraser on your pencil, which I know for math, if I mess up and I mess the whole sheet up, I'm not going to use the pencil eraser. I'm going to use this eraser. So definitely try to get you guys one of these. So this one kind of goes off of the whiteout. So if you guys don't want to white out your paper, you can get erasable pens from Friction. So Friction pens, so you have 2 different types. You have these ones. These ones are just actual pens. They're pilot pens and they're in 0.7. They also have 0.5, which my dad likes because he has more fine paper, like fine handwriting, but I like this one because it's more what's it called, bigger handwriting, like I said earlier. These ones are the best because they are erasable, so if you mess up, erase it. Another thing is, if you guys haven't seen my Rocketbook video, you definitely should. Link it in the eye. It works for Rocketbooks. This is what you use for Rocketbooks. It's the best. I have all the colors in that specific pen because I use it all the time. And then I also have the Friction fine liner. So these ones are like erasable marker, like fine line pens. So I love these. I just recently used these by the end. I started using them at like the end of 2020. I would say like the last 3 or 4 months of 2020 I started using these, and I love these, and these are the best, and they go great with both of them. So again, I have bigger handwriting, so I love things like this, and I love that they're erasable. So yeah, I will say they're kind of expensive, but I feel like, here's the thing, you don't have to exchange the whole package. You can buy ink, but I personally just throw away the whole pack of like the whole thing because sometimes it breaks. So keep that in mind when you buy these. But these are my favorite pens by far. Nothing compares to this one. If I was to live with only one pen in my whole life, it would be these. Just because, number one, you don't need a pencil anymore. You can use the eraser, and then boom, you're done. So these are the best pens by far. Just saying. Oh, and I will try to link everything down in my Amazon list. And I also made a Spotify playlist for studying since we're starting a new semester in a new year. So I wanted to make you guys a studying playlist that is also linked down below, so it has all of my studying music favorites because I'm gonna do a lot more studying videos than I used to last year. So keep that in mind. Everything linked down below. Here is another product that I'm just going to talk very briefly because I only use it when I absolutely need to, or if it's the only thing. So everyone knows Sharpies, but have you heard of a Sharpie pen? This one is a fine line, like a fine tip, and I love this because it is very good for projects that you have to do by hand. I know a lot of people don't do projects by hand, but if you do and your teacher does not allow you to do pencil, use this because it just, like, when you have to put like information on your poster or whatever, this just makes it 10 times better. And it doesn't smear, so if you go with pencil first, let it dry, and then erase it, it is perfection. I tried like a dupe of this one, which was a Bic one. It was absolutely terrible. It smeared when I tried to erase it, so it was like, this is superior compared to the Bic one. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is, again, Sharpie, and it's their Sharpie highlighters. I have them in all the colors. I love these, but then again, I haven't tried any of like the more popular like mid-liners, but I definitely want to this year. So comment down below if you try them and you like them, because I definitely want to try them. But I love the Sharpie pen highlighters because when I'm studying, it just pizzazzes my notes up, pizzazzes the book up. And these are my Stationery Essentials. Everything of this is Stationery Essentials for a reason. So I love these because obviously they're like, the packaging looks really in your face, but when you put it on paper, it's just like, it honestly, like, it makes you, it's just so thin and beautiful. These are just like pastel colors and they're beautiful, and I love the tip that it's curved and it's not just like straight or whatever. So I love these. I've also tried the gel ones, and they are, I'm just saying, like, the gel ones, they smear. So I prefer these ones over the gel ones, but the gel ones are so cool to like try because of the consistency, but these are the best. Okay, so now I'm gonna talk about some more pens that I have. So these pens are very affordable, the ones I'm going to show you, and they're very, very good because I've tried so many affordable ones that are just not the best. These are the Papermate Inkjoy pens. So these are my favorite affordable ones, one of my favorites, because they're so smooth and they're ballpoint. For you guys that have big handwriting, you know what that means. And the color is just amazing. Like, it gives such a good color payoff, and I just feel like, you know, they don't smear, they're not nothing. So if you want an affordable one, affordable pens that you can trust, these are the ones to go. I have these in every single color, and I also know that they have them in clickable ones, but I like these ones better just because, I don't know, like, I feel like I have so many clicky pens that these are just cool, and you know, so they come in a lot of different colors, a lot of different packs. So if you're looking for affordable pens that won't let you down, go for these ones. I think this is the last pen series, the last pen thing that I'm going to show you. So these are the absolute bomb. I got these, so Christmas of 2019, this is when I got these. I asked for them, and I love these. These last you forever. I use these for everything. If I was to choose between the Papermate and these, I would choose these. These are the Bic Gelocity, like ballpoint pens, and they are in 0.7. Again, bigger handwriting, so I love these. They have so many different colors. Look how much this brings you. And I love this spinny thing, and I love that you can obviously exchange it when you finish. You don't have to put this one back. But, and I just love these because they're so smooth. They have a lot of different colors. They're so cute, and they're just an amazing pen to use. I use these every single day. If you guys didn't know, I like to journal. So these are the pens that I journal with, and it's just amazing. And they always have color payoff, and it's just amazing. These ones are one of the best pens I've ever tried. So if we were going to go in pen order, I would choose the Friction pens, then these, then the Papermate Inkjoy highlighters. Again, I only had one highlighter, so this is the last pen that I'm going to show you, and then we're going to move on to other stuff. But I love this, and I will by far recommend this to everyone that comes my way. The next thing that's super basic, so this is a blank folder, but I feel like folders are really handy when you just have a loose paper that isn't hole punched, and then you can just throw it into your folder, and then boom, you can put it in your binder after you're done. Get yourselves a folder. It's portable, it's easy. If you want, you can have multiple different folders for every single class. It's just handy dandy, you know what I mean? Another thing that's super basic, but I feel like this one just specifically, this is the Up and Up notebook from Target, and it's college ruled the best. Anyways, so I love the paper in this. This is my Algebra Notebook. But anyways, I love the paper in it, and I love that it has like this, like it's plastic, because I feel like when I have like a cardboard one, it breaks in the middle of the year, and then I'm like, what the heck am I gonna do? And then all of the paper gets ruined. So these are the best because they're #1 affordable. Like I think they're 99 cents. That's why I get these every single year. 99 cents. So get you guys some of these because they're honestly the best. So I'm just saying. The next couple things, we're getting really close to the end. This is just like basic stuff. Since I showed you one notebook, I wanted to show you 2 different options. So the first one is the I Will. This is my journal. I just want to say my journal. I write everything in there. I love these because it's like an off-white color. They have lines, you can date them, you can do anything you want. And I love this because it's, I know you guys can't really see, but it's like sturdy, thick, compact. I can take this anywhere, and look at all of this colors. All these colors are my Bic gel pens. And then another notebook that I know this one is for a fact from Target, I think. Or maybe Burlington, but I think there's something similar in Target. So this is my like godly book, but I love the journal because I love spiral stuff. I love the leather, and I love the pages, how they feel. They're a little bit thicker, and it has a spot for the date, it has a spot for everything, and it's just so cute. If I was to choose a notebook for just in general, not even for school, I'd probably end up choosing this one just because I feel like it's just super cute and I love the leather. Okay, so the next thing is for your computer. The next 2 things are for the computer. So, oh my gosh, does it blend in? No? Okay. So this is a computer sleeve. So you can put your computer in. I actually have it in here just to show you how it goes in. This is a 13-inch. My laptop is 11-inch. But anyways, I love it because it protects it. You have like the little thing in here, the little fuzzies. And I love this also because it has like this little compartment. So I have a pencil in here, I have headphones in here, and then I have like scrap papers that I just throw in here when I'm in a hurry. So I love this because #1, I think it's so convenient that it has like a little pocket in front of it, and #2, because it I don't have a case on it, so I just kind of throw it in here, and then boom, I can carry it anywhere, and it's super portable. The last and final thing I got for Christmas, and I know that I probably shouldn't put this as a stationery essential yet because I've only had it for like less than a month, but I think you guys have seen it in the background of my videos. It is a computer stand, and it's gold. I love gold. It's aesthetically pleasing. So what I love about this is you can put your computer, and when you're sitting at your desk or anywhere, it kind of makes you look straight instead of down, and when you're sitting on your lap. So I think I love this just because, it's good for the posture, and it won't be bad for the screen time. So if you're doing virtual school like most people in the world are right now, you can definitely put your computer here. I put my Mac and my Chromebook on here. So this holds both of them, and I love these just for every day. Like I can watch YouTube videos when I'm getting ready, or when I'm doing schoolwork, I can type, and it's just very comfortable and cute. And that is the last thing. Okay, you guys, so that is everything, that all of my stationery essentials, everything that I'm using in 2021 in the beginning. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and there are a lot of studying videos coming ahead because this is I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it was entertaining. Again, Amazon link down below. I will try to link everything down below. I also have a Spotify playlist down below for studying that are my studying favorites. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe to be part of the Angels team. Also hit the notification bell to be part of the hashtag Angels notification team. Once you do that, I will give you a shout out in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned until next Sunday's video, because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.